check. Got the Mash AC4. Got the Thompson cockpit, seat post stem with the flight saddle. Got the Omniums with the Affinity 49 tooth chainring, linked to a 17 tooth EAI gold cog with the track chain Izumi. Got the Mash pedals, got the Mash straps, Mash cages. Wheels are Mavic Open Pros. Laced to some Origin 8 hubs. Been running these wheels for about 10 years now. Never had an issue. They've only been trued once. Yeah, got a bunch of Mash decals everywhere. Clearance is up to 32s. I have 28C tires, Continental Ultra Sports. Pretty comfy. Threw a eBay bottle cage on there. As far as my bottom bracket, I got the Philwood GXP bottom bracket for the Omnium setup. The old one got trashed. Got the Mash riser bars. Yeah, that's pretty much my setup. It's been pretty solid. Definitely recommend it.